All right. So today I'm going to create two pieces of content, long form content, using the local SEO template that I added recently. So the first one I'm going to do is divorce lawyer in Miami, Florida. Finding a divorce lawyer in Miami, Florida. We're going to save that, and we're going to be sent to the document. So now I'm going to find the template here in the template section. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it. And then we're going to go ahead and apply those variables. So I'm going to hit Miami for city, Florida for state, company, Malcolm's, law, firm, industry, divorce lawyer, industry task 1, child support, or let's go child custody. And then industry task 2, alimony and spousal support. All right, so we'll apply that. It'll apply those variables across the document. Looks like I made a mistake here, so let me fix that. All right, so Miami, Florida, Malcolm's law firm, divorce lawyer, child custody, alimony, and spousal support. Looks good. All right, so we're going to do all these tasks, and we're going to auto write. I'm going to get our first draft here. Almost done. All right, let's see here. All right, so this is our first draft. I think it looks okay. Obviously, you're gonna have to tweak some things. I don't like this conclusion, so I'm gonna run it through auto write again. All right, I don't like that, so I'll run it again. Oh, don't like what that's coming back with, but let's see. Overall, let me see. I do want to get this conclusion right, so bear with me here. Can help with child support. All right, I like that. 24 years of family law experience and 10 years of divorce law experience, and knows how to find a fair solution. All right, so that's like my first draft. I could spend some time massaging that, but I like to keep these videos short and sweet. So that's it for divorce lawyer. Now let's move on to the other one, which is moving company in what city? Dallas, Texas. Let's go with Dallas, Texas. Finding a moving company in Dallas, Texas. So we'll do the same thing. We'll find our template. We'll copy it here. We'll paste it here. With the variables, we'll go Dallas. We'll go Texas. We'll go Malcolm's, movers. Industry is moving company. Industry task is moving heavy furniture. Cross country moves. Okay, so the variables have been replaced. Just scanning the commands to see if they make sense. Right about how hard it is to find a moving company in Dallas. Malcolm Mover is the best moving company in Dallas. Malcolm Mover takes the guesswork out of finding. Okay. Can handle moving heavy furniture and cross-country move. How important the ability to do Alright. I might change this to how important the ability to okay, let's just leave it like that. Handles. Alright. Cool. So let's go ahead and run auto write. Alright. Alright. All done. Alright, conclusion looks good. I love the intro. The intro looks good. So these are the variables. We can kill those. Finding a moving company in Dallas. Let's see. Alright, so these are some good questions. These. Okay, so these are some tips in Dallas, Texas. All right. Moving company that can handle moving heavy furniture in Dallas. All right, cool. That looks okay to me. Again, I don't know. This is probably not a keyword, but it's just something to test the template, you know. All right. So yeah, as you can see, that's just a quick demo of the template. Hopefully you can use it to your liking. You can tweak it. You can copy it. We'll be adding the ability to save templates and edit them. And also the ability to let people in the community share templates. So I think that'll be really cool. Similar to how Jasper has the ability to share recipes. So I think that's going to be really cool. But yeah, let me know what you think about this template. And yeah, I hope this helps. See you guys later.